So in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Giv Energy all-in-one battery system with this, the gateway. Now we're going to be covering the performance of the product, the size, the storage capacity, the charge and discharge rate, and also how the gateway can take your home off grid in a grid event. We're also going to make a recommendation at the end of this video if you should consider buying one of these battery systems for your home. So where this is different to a traditional style solar system, if you've got a hybrid inverter, is solar panels produce energy in DC. That DC energy comes off your roof, goes straight through the inverter and is stored in those DC cells, and it's only converted to AC when you need to use it for your home. So there are some efficiency advantages to having a DC battery in your property. So as this is an AC coupled unit, where would you fit one, and why would you fit it in your home rather than one of those hybrid systems? Well, there's two main reasons. One of them would be that you've got an AC solar system. So if your solar system has microinverters on them, this is sort of the latest inverter technology. All that energy off the roof doesn't come down in DC, it's going to come down in AC, and that can go straight into your home. So these AC coupled batteries work really well with a microinverter system. The other place you can have an AC coupled battery is if you're using a battery like this to charge up from the grid at night on a cheap low rate tariff and then use that energy later on in the day. So with this Giv Energy all-in-one, you can pull energy from the grid, convert it from AC to DC, store that energy, and you've bought that nice and cheap overnight, and then as you need that energy throughout the day, the battery will convert it back to AC, and that can be used in your home. So that is our all-in-one battery system. Now there's another component that you can have as an option with this all-in-one, and that is the system gateway, and that's this bit of technology here. Now what the gateway does is work in conjunction with the all-in-one to take your home off grid if the grid drops. So a common myth with battery systems that is if the grid drops, the power goes out in the street, your battery is going to power your home. But that's not the case with pretty much any batteries other than ones that are set up to work in something called island mode, like the Tesla Powerwall 2 or this Giv Energy all-in-one. And to do that, you need a gateway. A gateway essentially is an interrupter device. So the way it works is the supply comes into your property from the street, and rather than going into your fuse board, it's interrupted by this bit of technology. It then goes back out and into the fuse board. If the grid drops, what would happen is there's a little switch inside this box that will kick over and it will pull power from the battery. And what it also does is fully disconnect your home from the grid. And that's the major safety advantage of this product. And the reason you do that is if the grid has dropped, let's say a power line's gone down, someone's working on that power line, they think that the whole connection is dead, but your all-in-one battery is firing energy out to the grid and they could get a shock. So the purpose of this equipment is to disconnect your home from the grid. You can set a minimum discharge rate in the battery, anything from sort of 5% up to 90%, as much as you want really, and you can have that as a constant reserve. So if you live in an area where you get frequent grid events, or it's something that you're mindful of, do alter your minimum reserve voltage or capacity rather in your Giv Energy all-in-one app, and then that means if the grid drops, you've always got power in the battery to run your home. Another advantage of the gateway is it does something called phase simulation. So if you've got a PV system at home, when the grid drops, the PV system is also looking for the grid frequency to make sure that if that grid frequency goes away, it knows to shut down so it doesn't export any energy to the grid. This gateway does something called phase simulation, and it basically says to the microinverters or your home PV inverter, the grid is here, keep powering, so we can keep charging that battery up and we can keep powering our home. So that's the function and the operation of the battery. Now let's get into some of the technical specifications of this product. Well, the first thing, the major standout for a battery would be its capacity. How much energy can it store? And this is always rated in something called kilowatt hours. So if you've got a 10 kilowatt battery, you could run it for 10 hours, pulling 1 kilowatt at a time. This battery here is 13.5 kilowatt hours. Now, importantly as well, it's the usable capacity, and this is where a lot of battery mis-selling goes on. Batteries are often advertised as having a capacity of, say, 15 kilowatt, but you can only access a certain percentage of that battery. So you might think you're buying 15 kilowatt hours of storage, but actually you can only access 13.5. What Giv Energy advertised with the all-in-one is a usable 13.5 kilowatt hours of storage. Now, associated with that storage is also the inverter. So how much energy can the battery provide to the home or be charged? The way I think of this, and the easiest way to think about a battery system, is think about a bathtub. The bathtub, or the water in it, is the amount of capacity, that's our DC cells, and the charge and the discharge rate of the inverter is the tap and the plug hole. So you might have a massive bath, but if you've got a really small plug hole, you can't access any of that water. Or if you've got a really small tap, it's going to take forever to fill up. So this is a real good match because this inverter is rated at 6,000 watts. So 6,000 watts is a lot of energy. The typical home's base load is around 200 to 300 watts, and you've got appliances like kettles, they pull about 2,700 watts. So having a 6,000 watt inverter will keep the majority of your home's consumption within the envelope of the capacity of the inverter itself. So just a quick interruption to this video. While we were editing this, Giv Energy actually released some news about the Giv Energy All-in-One, and that is that you can now set this product up in parallel. So you can have up to 3 Giv Energy All-in-Ones, which would give you 40.5 kilowatt hours of storage and up to 18 kilowatt of charge and discharge power. Now, unlike the Tesla where you can have 4 Tesla Powerwall 3s together, the Giv Energy only allows 3. However, that's still a lot of capacity and a lot of charge and discharge power. It's currently in a beta setting, and the Giv Energy have explained this is going to be in beta for around 2 months. So sometime around August, you'll be able to have the product off the shelf and have any Giv Energy improved installer come and install up to 3 all-in-ones in your property. Back to the video. So buying one of these Giv Energy all-in-ones can be a pretty expensive affair, and you want to make sure you've got a good warranty backing this product up. Now, what Giv offer with all of their all-in-one systems is a 12-year parts and labour warranty. So once this battery goes onto your property, or into your property rather, and the gateway, those products are protected by a 12-year warranty. Now, something to be aware of with a warranty is they'll give you a product warranty for the functionality, but they'll also give you a performance warranty. So anything in your home that has a battery, like a mobile phone or even an EV, those batteries degrade over time. Now, what Giv Energy say to you is that in 10 years, they guarantee the performance of a minimum of 80%, and you will get battery degradation over time. It does happen. The more you use your battery, the harder it's gonna work and the faster the cells burn out, but they give you a minimum guarantee of 80% in 10 years' time. Just before we carry on with this video, if you like watching these product reviews or you want to learn more about solar and battery storage, then please do like this video and subscribe to the Heatable channel. We have lots of product reviews and we'll give you all the information you need to make sure you buy the right solar or battery system. So those are all the physical attributes to the product, but there are some additional software benefits that Giv Energy have, and it's all to do with tariff connectivity. So batteries like this are becoming super popular with people who can't have solar PV, or maybe solar PV is out of budget and they just want to buy a battery to charge up at night and use that energy throughout the day. And here at Heatable, we offer that as a package on the website. If you go to heatable.co.uk, you'll be able to get a price to have a battery fitted and including one of these all-in-ones. Once you've got a battery, you need to have a tariff that supports that sort of functionality. So it has to be able to charge up at night, and it has to be able to use the energy in the day. And these tariffs are offered from various utility suppliers, but the leading supplier generally is Octopus. Octopus have something called Agile, which is even smarter than a traditional time-based tariff because it's a smart tariff. The battery is connected to that tariff, and it will spot certain thresholds when energy is super cheap. Sometimes, very rarely, they'll actually pay you to take it. The battery can charge up. And sometimes there'll be alerts when they'll actually buy energy from your battery. So if the grid is under a lot of load and the grid is struggling, someone like Octopus might set a threshold in your software to say, if we're paying more than 20 pence a kilowatt hour, sell out of my battery, and you can set a minimum reserve. Now, some people are gaming this and making a lot of money doing it. They're working their battery very hard, and obviously these tariffs change frequently. There's no guarantee that tariff is going to be in place forever, but the Giv Energy system can connect to the Octopus ecosystem called Kraken. Kraken is the software that Octopus own, which does all the grid management. So when the grid is under stress, Kraken can manage that sort of capability, and when the grid has got excess energy, Kraken also manages distributing that extra energy or offering it at cheap prices. Now, if you're watching this video and you're getting pretty excited about having a Giv Energy All-in-One and you want to place that order, the question in your mind might be, where can I install this battery? Well, if you're going to have the gateway with the battery, that gateway needs to be pretty close to your incoming main supply. So if your incoming main supply is on the side of your house or under your stairs, wherever it is, you're going to need enough space to fit that box. And then your battery can be a distance away from that box. I think it's up to about 50 meters, so pretty much anywhere in the average home. And you can install these in garages, they can be outside, they can be on the side of your property. Some people actually have them inside the property. You wouldn't install one of these in a loft or a confined space. Something just to be aware of, where this battery loses out to something like the Tesla Powerwall 2 or the Tesla Powerwall 3 is it has no thermal management. So the chemistry in this battery will suffer in cold temperatures. So if the temperature drops below sort of 5 degrees, the performance of the battery will slow down. And if it gets below 0 degrees, it can pretty much shut down. So with the Tesla system, that's got an inbuilt heater and an inbuilt cooler that manages those temperatures and keeps it in a performance window. With this battery, if it's outside and it's cold, it's going to be pretty miserable. It might actually shut down. So another consideration with one of these batteries would be that connectivity to these smart tariffs and the Giv Energy cloud are all in sort of a beta state. This technology is constantly progressing, and therefore sometimes it goes offline or it experiences problems. Something like a Tesla Powerwall 2, their system's been around a lot longer and is a lot more stable. Giv Energy are constantly working to improve their cloud software, but in our experience it has been a little bit hit and miss, so it's just something to be aware. There's a lot of advice forums online, there's Facebook groups, there's YouTube communities, and I think Giv Energy actually have their own guest community as well, where you can submit tickets and users can share their experiences with the product. So we'd recommend taking a look at those before you go ahead and purchase. Price-wise, to have one of these batteries installed for a Giv Energy improved installer such as Heatable, you'd be looking between around £6,500 and £8,000 depending on who you use and whether you go for the gateway or not. There is 2 power options with this battery. There's a 3.68 kilowatt version of the inverter, and there's this one. This is the 6,000 watt. And there's a different price point between the two. The difference between the two batteries is one can operate, the tap and the plug is 6,000 watt and one is 3,680 watt. The reason for that is something called G98 and G99. This is a grid approval system. So if you're going to have one of these installed and it's the 6,000 version, you'll need to have a G99 approval to connect to the grid before you do it. If you go for the 3.68, it's a notifiable event, so you don't have to apply for permission to do that. So finally, would we recommend one of these Giv Energy all-in-one systems? The answer to that is yes, based on the fact that from a price perspective, it's about as good as you can get for the capacity with that charge and that discharge rate, and also take into consideration the gateway that's going to give you that off-grid functionality. The disadvantages of this product that you need to consider is if it's going to be outside in the winter months, it's probably going to suffer some downtime when the temperature gets to it. If that's a concern for you, we definitely recommend going for a Tesla Powerwall 2 or a Tesla Powerwall 3. So we hope that was a useful video, and if you've made your mind up and you want to go ahead and buy your Giv Energy All-in-One, then head over to heatable.co.uk. If you want to learn more about maybe a Tesla Powerwall 2, then you can watch the videos on the Heatable channel.